Hi, my name is Turner Fleischer. I'm an architect and principal of Turner Fleischer Architects in Toronto. We're involved in the CanBIM Spotlight Innovations Award. We were asked by CanBIM to produce award or design award for this year's awards. We held it in a little bit of a different way to what we normally do. We run a program here called Design, which explores creativity amongst our staff and our designers, and we thought we'd do the Innovation Award through the design process, where we get a few people together to design the award and do it in the charrette environment. People were asked to vote on which was the better design, and Calvin Fund's design won unanimously amongst the other awards.
The idea came straight from the term BIM, Building Information Modeling. What I wanted to do was create or represent sculpturally essentially a model of building information. I drew on the pixelized leaf from the CanBIM logo, taking the pixel or the cube as a single unit of information and using that as the base component for the design. In keeping with the theme of information, the process was largely information driven. I employed a script that would pack these cubes into a given volume, ensuring that it's a single piece, but also maximizing its surface area to create the greatest variation and interest.
We explore designs through multiple different levels, and we can get our usual designers to do the work, but what we like to do is we like to reach out to the entire staff and to mix it up and get the staff to participate in special design initiatives. You know, if it's not a building, if it's not a project, we even take it to an award level for the CanBIM award.
The CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award, what it means to me is a chance to recognize those that are making the investment in the industry, leading and trying to get everyone to the table to work together and to collaborate, and ultimately for greater spaces, better spaces for everyone. Whether it's a building or sculptural piece or whatever, whenever you can see your thing come to life, I think that's probably one of the most rewarding things for any designer. Thank you for the opportunity, for allowing us to participate in this event, and congratulations to all the recipients this year.